Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. I am an esthetician with over 20 years of experience and also owner of Kiwi Spa here in sunny San Diego. And today I am here to show you another amazing transformation, and I hope that this video can inspire all of you to take care of your skin, to do a little more for your skin that you did before, and also it will show you kind of like opening new horizons for you and show you what kind of results you can achieve only in 12 days using the right technology and the right ingredients. So let's get started. I want to introduce you our beautiful model Olga, and I want to show you her skin before, and that's her skin after 12 days. Wow, right? What a transformation, what a great results. And now let's overview what exactly we did for her and what did she do at home as well, because whatever you do at home, it's 80% of successful results. So as you can see on a picture before, when Olga just arrived to Kiwi Spa, you can definitely see dehydration, that her skin is tired, her skin can have like more elasticity, more tone, and her pores can be more shrinked, and overall she can have more hydration, more glow, more vibrance to her skin, right? That's what I see when I look at her skin. She does have great genetics, she does have a good skin, but I can see a lot of fine lines and wrinkles in areas where we smile. So it just means skin in these areas doesn't have enough collagen and enough fibroblast and elastin, and also it lacking vitamins and active ingredients and of course hydration. So after detailed consultation and talking to Olga about what she's using at home, about products that was beneficial for her skin before, I find out that products that she's using, the majority of them are from over-the-counter. So products like parabens, silicones, synthetic preservatives that unfortunately do not dissolve underneath the skin. These ingredients will produce a barriers inside of our skin, and this barrier will prevent penetration of active ingredients, products that you're using, and also prevention of oxygen. And also oxygen is essential for our skin to glow and to have this beautiful volume and tone, elasticity, everything what we trying to achieve, right, for our skin. So after consultation, Olga and I had a plan. And this plan was to perform jet peel facial, and I will tell you now more about it, what it is and how does it work, find out what is jet peel. So many clients calling to Kiwi Spa, and when we tell them, oh, your skin needs jet peel, they're like, no, I don't want a peel. I definitely don't want to peel, I'm not ready for that. So jet peel, it's not a chemical peel, it's transdermal infusion. It's very unique technology that come from Israel, and it's actually a machine, it's not a peel, it's a machine that takes pressurized pure oxygen and mix it with active ingredients, and then on a jet speed of 777 miles per hour penetrates it into dermal layer of our skin. So somewhere between 2.5 to 4 millimeters deep. That size, that's more or less 4 millimeters. So that's how deep this technology penetrates active ingredients with oxygen into our skin. Now the best thing about it is that it even doesn't touch your skin. It's not touching your skin. It's just a stream of oxygen with active ingredients that open micro channels on your skin and penetrate all these goodies really deep inside. Some people love to do mesotherapy or bio-revitalization, which is another way to penetrate vitamins and active ingredients and hyaluronic acid deep into your skin, but usually these technologies use syringe and a needle. And when you do many little injections all over your skin will have red marks. And sometimes these marks heal pretty fast. However, sometimes needle can go inside of the blood vessel, and this blood vessel can kind of like explode, and you will have red mark underneath your skin, and it can heal for a very long time. So unfortunately, sometimes injections leave bruises or marks like that, and you have to be extra careful with going on the sun, and sometimes you even cannot go to work next day because your skin has a lot of marks. But just letting you know that if you will get some little mark from jet peel or little scratch or little redness, don't worry, just using hydrocortisone cream or oatmeal mask this will heal pretty fast. So with the help of jet peel, we can penetrate into our skin all kinds of active ingredients, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, hydration, nutrients, anything your skin needs, you name it. And the main benefits of jet peel, it doesn't use any needles and it doesn't cause you any pain or any discomfort, and it actually feels very good and very cooling on your skin, and it's very powerful technology that can make a real transformation. So let's go back to Olga and let's see what exactly did we do for her at Kiwi Spa. We did double steam and double cleanse as the first step of the facial. Then we applied special enzyme and we used ultrasonic exfoliation, ultrasonic spatula. Interesting thing, every time when we apply enzyme on a face, enzyme pre-open our pores. And anything what we have inside of our pores, like underskin oil, dust, some little bacteria or pieces of makeup, enzyme will dissolve it. And then while we're using ultrasonic spatula will vibrate out all these impurities, and it also helping a lot to perform a manual extractions. After ultrasonic exfoliation, we always use special nose vacuum, and then we move to manual extractions. As you can see, Olga's skin, she didn't have a lot to extract, but we still found some imperfections on her nose, and we extracted it all. We always use high frequency technology after extractions because it will shrink your pores, reduce redness and inflammation, and overall it will re-energize your skin by sending special currents underneath the skin. Then our next step was diamond tip microdermabrasion. I absolutely love diamond tip microdermabrasion because it's very gentle and safe way to exfoliate all the layer of our skin. First of all, microdermabrasion, it's a vacuum with a diamond tip that gently exfoliates dead cells. And we use at Kiwi Spa special technique, it calls silk touch feather technique, where we gently touching your skin with that device, and it will not leave any redness or any scratches. And the next step of our facial, it was a dermaplaning. And I know that some people kind of skeptical about dermaplaning, but guys, I can tell you that if you dermaplane your face with a good quality blade, and you kind of like do it very smooth, your hair will never grow thicker or darker or bigger or more than it was. And in my next videos I will just show you how I do dermaplaning to myself and what technique I use, and I hope that it will be very helpful for you. But I did dermaplaning for Olga. I made sure I exfoliated all that layer of her skin, and then our next step was a jet peel. And for her skin, as I saw this dehydration and I saw that she is kind of like lacking tone and moisture and elasticity, so I did a combination of hyaluronic acid and myopeptides. I added there vitamin C and also a lot of vitamin A. So, and that powerful booster I infused with 6 jet peel infusions into her face. And as you see, after the facial, it's already a huge difference. Like, look at her skin before and now look at her skin after. You can definitely see volume lifting, you can see tone, you can see this beautiful glow, beautiful transformation, and you definitely can see that her skin now is much more hydrated, it's glowing, and it shows that it does have vitamins and all the necessary nutrients, and all fine lines and wrinkles, they kind of disappear because skin become very supple from all these active ingredients that we infusing with that amazing technology. Actually, Kiwi Spa is the only spa in San Diego who offers jet peel technology, and our prices are very affordable. If you go to LA or to any major city and you just Google and see how much jet peel costs, you will see that at Kiwi Spa it's around half price. So you all welcome to come and try jet peel here at Kiwi Spa. Okay, so what a great results, what a great transformation. But again, in order to maintain these results, we also need to do homework at home. And this homework consists of same formula that we use during this facial, and we combine this formula in our products. So 21 day skin transformation kit, it's amazing kit that was created for different skin types. So when such a transformation happened after the facial, our goal to maintain these results at home. And the most important is to use same formula that was penetrated during the facial as your home regimen. So we offer to our clients our 21-day skin transformation kit. It comes in travel kits, so it lasts for next 21 days, and it gives you great opportunity to try all these products at reduced price. And this kit consists of cleanser, toner, day serum, night serum, day moisturizer with SPF, also moisturizers that you can use at night, and also it has a little mini facials that consist of kiwi scrub, pumpkin peel, and 2 kinds of unbelievably amazing masks. So as you can see, it's whole kit, everything what your skin will need in order to maintain these amazing results. Another benefit of this kit that you kind of like using the same formula, and ingredients do not neutralize each other. But when your entire line is from the same brand, all products designed to actually help each other to maintain results, that's the way to go. And that's why when you're using 21-day skin transformation kit, you can see results already after a couple days, just like 3 to 5 days, and you're like, wow, my skin is really changing. And actually my results after my facial look so much better. Another tip that I highly recommended to Olga and to all our clients, it's to use a derma roller. Every time when you roll your clean skin, and you make a little injuries, your skin will produce a lot of your own stem cells that will be on the surface, and these stem cells will help to heal these little injuries. So once you do roller, put couple drops of your serum and massage these areas really good. And then your serum will connect with your own stem cells, and your massage motion will help to penetrate all these amazing goodies really deep into your dermal layer. So that's how your skin will get kind of like at-home PRP. Yes, at-home PRP, using your own stem cells together with serum. Actually, all serums in Kiwi Spa vegan all natural skincare line contain medical grade of molecule. Also, friends, I know that many of you looking at Olga results thinking, how can I achieve this kind of results if I am not in San Diego and I cannot visit Kiwi Spa? Is it really possible at all? And I can tell you that we offer special Zoom consultations. We also do FaceTime consultation. We can look at your skin and we can create for you special custom program where you will have your own virtual esthetician, and this esthetician will be personally in touch with you. The program will start from detailed consultation. Once we analyze your skin, we will know exactly what ingredients will be the most beneficial for your skin. We will create for you regimen for every day, and we will create for you professional regimen where you will start your journey from that regimen. First of all, it will be custom peel and custom form of exfoliation for your skin. So under our supervision, you will be performing all these treatments from the comfort of your own home DIY, and I guarantee your results will be fabulous. We have so many people who already did it with us. They live in other states and they saw their friends who've been to Kiwi Spa, came back from vacations. They're like, oh my gosh, wow, what happened to your skin? And once they find out that it was our skincare, they just started to order from us, never visiting Kiwi Spa, and they have amazing results right now. And in my next videos, I'm going to share stories of our virtual clients, and you can see these transformations that we are so excited to show you in our next video. But for now, I am so grateful to you for watching. So if you are in San Diego, you are welcome to Kiwi Spa. If you are not in San Diego, you are welcome to virtual Kiwi Spa. We still here with you. We still will be guiding you. We still will do our very best for each and every one of you. We love you guys. Share with us your transformation journey, and we will be happy to make video about you and show to all our followers here at Kiwi Spa channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. We can wait to see you again soon.